1985 Jordan 1's. The original rubber was dried out, so you would definitely slip around if you'd wear them. So the first thing I did was remove the rubber sole. This was probably the hardest and tedious part of the whole restoration. I used my Dremel tool to remove any excess rubber and factory glue that's still on the upper. I used boiling water to help me remove the donor soles. Since the donor soles were worn, I gave them a good cleaning. The donors have a coke white midsole, so I wanted to change that. I used coffee to dye the midsoles to give it a more aged look. Now it's time to glue the uppers to the midsole, and the glue I'm using is Barge Cement Super Stick. I apply a thin layer of adhesive on both the upper and the midsole. I let it fully cure for about 8 minutes, then I heat it up with a heat gun and bond them together. I repeat the same process throughout the whole shoe. I wanted to get rid of some of the damage on the toe box, so I used Angela's paint to get rid of the scuffs. Thanks to Curated Dan for helping me get the insole logo right for this project. Since these shoes have been completely worn down, the insole logo has disappeared. Even though you won't see the logo when you wear them, I think it's just a nice small detail to add. Now the last few steps is to replace the lasting board and stitch the shoes together. The shoes look so much better and now they're wearable. This is how I restored a pair of